John Robin. I'm here in Townsend at Fire Station 1. The wind has continued to pick up all day and it will only get stronger through the night. The firefighters with the Townsend Area Volunteer Fire Department are doing their best for what could come. Townsend firefighters are preparing for the increased fire risk.
We've got crews out today that are monitoring the situation. We've got some going up on the parkway to make sure that we can get to a fire right after it starts to ensure that it doesn't grow into something unmanageable.
The fire risk is up because of the high winds and low moisture.
When we have a heads up when we could have a situation like today, we've had pretty advanced warning of the weather. We're able to have some people commit some time and to come in and gear up and get ready just in case it does break loose.
He says thanks to mutual aid with other fire departments and first responders, he's confident his crew can handle what gets thrown their way.
We've been able to handle whatever comes our way. Got a good crew. They do a good job. Sometimes it's tough. Sometimes the things you see are tough, but they're able to take care of the situation and provide adequate service to our citizens.
The chief says it's better to be over-prepared than not at all.
We want to make sure that we have manpower ready. We want to make sure that the trucks are ready, that our gear's ready, and then we want to be out in the community. We want to be out making sure that if something does start to develop, we have eyes on it quickly.
Chief Stallion says if you see a fire, you should call 911, and that's also if you see smoke. He says you should not burn anything.